Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is December 4th, 2017, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, we just have one number coming up later today at 12:30 South African time, and that's a construction PMI number coming out of United Kingdom. And we'll take a look at that in just a moment. Just as a big heads up, later this week, NFP this coming Friday, the last NFP of the year, so that should be a big number. I'm going to break protocol here and jump into the Dow Jones, and let's take a look. We're looking here at the Dow Jones, as we normally look at the Euro USD. First, take care of the Forex symbols. But this morning, I'm breaking protocol and jumping into the Dow Jones. As you can see, we had a beautiful gap up this morning, over 200 points, and we're trading at 24,450, and that means we're above the market about 7,000 points since Donald Trump was elected. Now, not all of it is, contributed to his campaign or his policies, but things are really cooking. As you can see, the markets are expanding, and we've mentioned this before, that between Thanksgiving and Christmas is a tremendous rally. And this was just a layup. Okay, you just needed to buy and hold from Thanksgiving, and you'd already be up about 700 points, okay, basis points off of the Dow Jones. Now, this would surely affect the dollar. The dollar should get weaker against the other currencies as the Dow Jones hits record highs. Okay, and we're going to go back and we're going to proceed to looking at the Euro USD here, and we're just receding here to 1860-ish level. As you can see, we're at above this 1856-ish support level ish. Okay, I would look for a nice bounce here. Okay, I think we're going to be choppy here. I would expect the euro to continue getting stronger versus the dollar vis-a-vis what's going on with the Dow Jones. Looking at the GBP USD, a little bit of a sell-off last Friday. Well, we're starting to perk up here. I'm not sure how much the construction PMI number is going to change the tide or change the wind for the GBP USD, but altogether we're almost hitting this double high here, this double top, okay, which is at 36,033. So I'd like to see this continue and maybe break out. This might be a nice bull flag for it to continue on the upside. Looking at the USD ZAR, slowly receding versus the dollar at 13.79, just bouncing off of our support level. And we mentioned this last week. This was up here. As you can see here, a nice little bounce. So if you got that, good for you. Looking at gold, we're receding at 12.74. The markets go up, gold goes down, and sure enough, this is the case. Now, we've been trading with this in this range, okay? Unless we break this 1270, I don't see why, it's going to break it. But keep an eye on this as well. Possibly a good buy here as the markets may correct itself later this week. Looking at oil here, 57.99, creeping closer to $60 a barrel, okay? And we're not receding so much, as you can see here. Looking at the daily chart, we're going up about $2 and we're receding about 25 cents, which is a nice rally. Okay, altogether it's been a very nice rally. It was choppy last week with the OPEC meetings, but since that's behind us, I don't think, I don't see a reason why we shouldn't hit $60 a barrel maybe before the end of the year. Looking at the JSC, slowly trickling down, but still very strong. So keep an eye on this. Maybe it'll play catch up to the Dow Jones with this tremendous gap up we had this morning, so keep an eye on that as well. Looking at the DAX, we're still above this 13,000, and it's really I don't want to say annoying, but it's really unfortunate that it's not breaking out higher. Look at these moves. Okay, we've been in this zigzag move since the beginning or middle of November, and we haven't really broken out. It looks like it's about to break out. It looks like it's about to catch up to the Dow Jones, but then it falters and doesn't. So I'm not so bullish on it. Okay, we did get this gap up this morning. As you can see, we're at 13,000, above this 13,000, but I would like to see it continue and have some sort of rally. Otherwise, when the markets do sell off, I do expect the DAX to sell off first. So keep an eye on that as well. And you could just play the moves. Okay, this is just so beautiful when it's trading within range to catch it at its extremities, both on the downside and the upside, shorting the top of the moves, okay, the top of the range at 13,100-ish level, and buying it at 12,835-ish level, okay. I mean, those are perfect trades, but you could ease into the position, maybe one tiering at 12,873, and slowly building it up, and you'd be up money right now. Okay, so that would be actually a great trade. There's a difference between trending markets and ranging markets. And we've discussed this in our webinars and some of our educational series of, identifying them and trading accordingly to maximize your profits in it. So, that's always something that we do endorse and, encourage for, our traders to take some of the educational series that we've presented in the past to really use it for their trading. This is Fred Razak. Just want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.